So, okay, this is our HTML code. This all I have taken from ChatGPT. Then this is CSS code, and this is JS JavaScript code. Everything is provided by ChatGPT. Now let's go live. You have to download this extension. Wow, what a website! See this wonderful website. Like you can write here your name. Now what we have to do is we have to link this with a Google Form sheet. So we can send message and we can receive a receiver can receive the message. So let's try the functions. Okay, and this is about sections, services, and contact. Buttons are running. Okay, get started. Great. So this is a normal prototype or a small website which we can say like we have just styled the front end in seconds we have completed actually with all the buttons, and you can make it more advanced by giving prompt again and again to the chat GPT. It's very easy. I will not show this in the video, but it's actually very easy to update it. Now I'll end this video. Please like, comment what next should I do, and I don't have much idea about making videos on YouTube, so you just suggest me. I will do as per that. In the next video, I'll try to cover all backend part. Backend part, one video will be totally with Python with AI/ML, and the second video will be Node.js, Express.js, and React. So thank you so much for seeing the whole video.